All right, quick review after digging into the Vivanchor Pet Pro, and yeah, this one's a hard pass. Let me be real with you. It's being pushed all over social media like some kind of game-changing pet grooming tool, but what buyers are actually reporting is a very different story. The biggest issue? It's basically a low-cost, drop-shipped brush with heavy marketing behind it. The ads make it look premium and high-tech, but in reality, people are getting cheap plastic tools that don't perform well and sometimes fall apart pretty quickly. There's also the pricing trick. You'll often see it discounted from a higher fake retail price, which is just classic urgency marketing. And support? A lot of users say refunds and responses are hard to get. If you actually want something that works, stick with proven grooming tools like a Furminator-style de-shedding brush or reliable cleaning gear from brands like Bissell or Hoover. Bottom line, skip the hype, save your money.